So this is day 3 of lockdown, and part of the responsibilities are to take a walk around the lodge, make sure elephants haven't made too much damage, and check on all our rooms so they're ready for you when we get back. So that's the walkway ahead. It's time to go for a stroll. So we had a herd of elephants running through the lodge last night, and they've left a little bit of an aftermath. So let's see what they've been getting up to. So that's going to be a job for us. So yesterday came through at about 4:30. Final checks of Fish Eagle Villa and the rest of the villas, just make sure everything's going well, and came across a herd of elephants which walked straight under the Fish Eagle deck. So I sat down and let them walk under my feet, and then realized I didn't have my camera with me, so no evidence. So that's the view from one of our villas, and the sound of bliss. Doesn't get much better. Right, and day 5, and sanding on our decks commencing. And the guys already nice and hard at work early in the morning.